We stay in Rio Hotel. Noon nagpunta kami ng New York City. So, kung gusto nyo makamura, kailangan magbo-book kayo ng advance. So, we booked this maybe around 7 months before our trip. So, here we comes. Ito yung aming bedroom. Malit lang siya, pero malinis. Yun lang naman ang importante dyan eh. So, this is good for 4 people. Pero hindi kami natuloy na 4. So, 3 lang kami nakapunta. So, this is a big bed. Meron siyang couch na maliit. And then, maganda yung view. May view kami. Kaya lang afternoon sun, so medyo mainit siya. But you can close the curtain anyway. And then, here comes my 2 other friends na kasama namin. So, meron naman binigyan naman kami ng tigi-isang key. So, and then, yung kinuha namin is meron lang free breakfast and we stay here for about 4 days. 4 nights, I think. Yeah. And then, here comes, meron siyang, malinis siya, maganda yung bathroom. So, we're very sad.